Hello and a very warm welcome to all of you as you are watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel. My name is Kana Bali and we are here with a very major update for you guys. And this is about Surya Kumar Yadav, that hero of the World Cup, T20 World Cup final, who took a brilliant catch at the boundary. गैप है उनके लिए इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में, 1-1.5 महीना है जब वो बांग्लादेश का T20 सीरीज खेलेंगे. उससे पहले थोड़ा लंबा गैप उनको मिला है. उसमें उन्होंने डिसाइड किया दैट ही गो टू चेन्नई टू प्ले द बुची बाबू टूर्नामेंट फॉर मुंबई. बुची बाबू टूर्नामेंट क्या है, उसकी क्या हिस्ट्री है, पिछले साल मुंबई गई थी, कैसा परफॉर्म किया, एवरीथिंग, एंड व्हाट इज द रेलेवेंस ऑफ सूर्य कुमार यादव गोइंग टू बुची बाबू. बहुत सारे सवाल हैं, उन सब सवालों के जवाब के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं साहिल मल्होत्रा. साहिल, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कनेक्टिंग विद अस. सूर्य कुमार यादव हैड डिसाइडेड टू प्ले डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट, प्ले बुची बाबू for Mumbai. What is the relevance? How do you see this decision by Surya Kumar Yadav to go to Chennai to play a domestic tournament?
I think very good decision, Kanav, because it's not just him making a statement and playing domestic cricket. This is him going out and playing a state run multi-day tournament. Buchi Babu is not something which is organized by the BCCI. It's organized by the Tamil Nadu Cricket Association, Tamil Nadu Fields. There are 2 or 3 sides in that tournament. It's an invitational tournament, so not anyone and everyone can participate. Only teams which have been invited by the TNCA get to participate in this tournament. So you'll see the likes of Mumbai, you'll see the likes of Jharkhand, you'll see the likes of probably Madhya Pradesh, who were there last time too, Jammu and Kashmir. So सारी top state teams खेलती हैं इसमें. Last year Delhi भी थी. Delhi and MP played the final. Delhi ended as runners up, but Delhi unfortunately aren't playing this season because they have a Delhi Premier League starting around the same time in Delhi. But because of Delhi not playing, Jharkhand will be there, and as Cricket Next had reported, Ishan Kishan will be playing for Jharkhand in that tournament. So now you'll have Surya Kumar Yadav playing for Mumbai. One game is what we are hearing right now. So that's a big boost for the tournament. It's a historic tournament, yaar. Matlab, the who's and who's of Indian cricket have participated in that tournament. Conditions are good. Turning tracks मिलते हैं आपको down south उस time पे. Heat और humidity में आप खेलते हैं. So it's good preparation for multi-day matches, and Surya Kumar Yadav making most of his rest. Just not wasting time at home. Just sending a message out there to the selectors that I just don't want to be a T20 cricketer. I have what it takes to be a multi-day cricketer for India too. So good statement there. I think it's a good statement by him, and having been appointed the T20 skipper, I think he's making that walk the talk kind of statement by playing in this tournament.
Absolutely, and he is kind of showing that he wants to have a place in the Indian Test team. He was there for a while. वो इतना लंबा रन नहीं मिला, परफॉर्मेंसेस भी खैर इतनी नहीं आई जो कम मौके मिले थे उसमें. But Sahil, do you see Surya Kumar Yadav playing Test cricket? Do you see him as an ideal Test batter for India?
Boss, he has dominated, right? जितना भी आप उसका रणजी का सीजन देख लोगे, the way he has played for Mumbai, he has been a dominating cricketer. He got, I think, 1 chance in that Border Gavaskar Trophy, the opening test, 1 or 2 chances, I'm not really sure, but that was it. He wasn't considered after that, and rightly so, because you have a packed middle order. You have Sarfaraz Khan now. You saw Dhruv Jurel doing what he did. Now KL Rahul, Shreyas Iyer is no longer in the mix. You have KL Rahul, Virat Kohli returning from their breaks and injury layoffs. They didn't feature in the England Test series. Rahul played initially, but baad mein he missed out. Now Virat returns. Sarfaraz is already there. Devdutt Padikkal is already there. What happens to Rajat Patidar, who's again a brilliant player of spin bowling, and you have Surya Kumar Yadav who wants to play. So अगर आप पूछेंगे खेल सकते हैं कि नहीं, बिल्कुल खेल सकते हैं. उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? दिलीप ट्रॉफी खेलो consistently if selectors pick him, and then do well for Mumbai in the Ranji Trophy whenever you get a chance. Have a good season, 700-800 run season. If you get to play all the matches based on your international commitments, then you'll definitely be on the selectors' radar. No doubt about that.
Yeah. But there's also other angle to this, very interesting angle. Few days back I was having word with Taus Rizvi. आपने viewers ने देखा होगा, क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट पे ताउस रिजवी अक्सर आते रहते हैं. मैंने उनसे कांगा लीग के बारे में बात की थी कि क्या सूर्य कुमार यादव कांगा लीग अब खेल सकते हैं, पहले खेलते थे सूर्य कुमार. उन्होंने कहा कि सूर्य कुमार, उनका ये मानना था कि will avoid these tournaments क्योंकि वो एक इंजरी से चल के आ रहे हैं पिछले साल से. बहुत लंबा गैप आया था, और अब क्योंकि T20 कैप्टन है, उनको इस बेसिस पे, ये मेरा मानना है, क्योंकि इस बेसिस पे T20 कैप्टन बनाया गया है कि हार्दिक पांड्या इंजर्ड रहते हैं, तो क्या ये रिस्की नहीं होगा सूर्य कुमार यादव के लिए? ऑब्वियसली इंजरी कहीं भी हो सकती है, बट टू एक्सपोज योरसेल्फ टू मोर डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट, एंड इट कुड गॉड फॉरबिड फर्दर क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर हिम. अगर बाय चांस गॉड फॉरबिड उनको इंजरी हो जाती है तो T20 कप्तानी पे भी असर पड़ सकता है.
कनव देखो, सिंपल सी बात है, छुप के क्रिकेट नहीं खेली जाएगी. यू हैव टू बी आउट देयर इन द बैटलफील्ड यार. आप छुप के बच के क्रिकेट नहीं खेल सकते. यही परसेप्शन लोगों को हार्दिक का बना, एंड दैट इज प्रोबब्ली व्हाई he has been dropped as T20 captain and is no longer the T20 leadership. I'm not saying that these are my views. I'm saying what we have gathered from the way selectors spoke, from the way the new head coach spoke, the vision which they have in mind. So बच के तो क्रिकेट नहीं खेला जाएगा, ये तो मैसेज क्लियर है. अब आप इंजरी बचा लो या छुपा लो या जो कर लो, बात तो खेल के ही बनेगी. तो सूर्या वो समझ गए, खेलना तो जरूरी है. और इंजरी तो पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ क्रिकेट है यार. किसको पता, अब श्रेयस अय्यर has had injuries जो फील्डिंग करते हुए हो गई. You have seen player, हार्दिक का जो इंजरी हुआ वर्ल्ड कप में, वो खेलते हुए हुआ. तो आप कब तक बचोगे यार? Yeah, correct. So all these are part and parcel of cricket. But I think the braver players are the one who you actually see shining at the top right now. So there's no escaping cricket right now, and I would kind of stick my neck out and say whatever Surya is doing is brilliant. He's sending a good message out there, playing Bucci Babu. Hats off to him. I hope he continues to do that and continues to make a statement and set a message for youngsters to follow.
But only youngsters, should the others follow suit as well? The seniors, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli playing domestic cricket.
Why not? Everyone. Virat Kohli should play Dilip Trophy. Rohit should play Dilip Trophy. Shreyas Iyer should probably be playing the entire domestic season for Mumbai, Ranji Trophy. So all these things are very, very important for Indian cricket to remain in good health. You just can't be picking and choosing matches anymore. If you do that, you lose your contract. We have seen that.
Yeah, and BCCI is very clear with that and very strict with that. The fact that they have now special notes under their press releases with the squad that they are looking at the domestic cricket and the domestic performances. This is a big sign for all the players. And Surya Kumar Yadav has taken a very good step in that direction, not only for himself, but also for the youngsters, as you said, to set a template that if you are free, go and play domestic cricket for its respective states and practice as much as you can. Thank you so much, Sahil, for connecting with us. And thank you so much to all our viewers. We'll get to see Surya Kumar Yadav in a local domestic tournament, not even a BCCI domestic tournament, as Sahil said, a local domestic tournament. And hopefully he'll go on to do well and get the necessary match practice. You guys please subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow us across all our social media platforms for more such updates from Cricket Next. Until then, please take care of yourself and have a nice day.